Hello and welcome to our Samsung 970 EVO Plus review. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the latest version of Samsung's popular solid-state drive, the 970 EVO Plus. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the specs of the 970 EVO Plus. This drive comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from 250 GB all the way up to 2 TB. It features a PCIe 3.0 interface, with read and write speeds of up to 3,500 MB per second and 3,300 MB per second, respectively. It also has a built-in heatsink to help keep it cool during operation. Now let's talk about the performance of the 970 EVO Plus. In our testing, we found that this drive is incredibly fast, with lightning-quick read and write speeds. We were able to transfer large files in seconds, and the drive had no issues keeping up with even the most demanding workloads. One of the standout features of the 970 EVO Plus is its endurance. This drive has a rated endurance of up to 600 TB written, which is significantly higher than many of its competitors. This means that it should be able to withstand heavy use over a long period of time without experiencing any issues. Another great feature of the 970 EVO Plus is its reliability. In our testing, we found that this drive was extremely reliable, with very few errors or issues. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your data is well protected. In terms of design, the 970 EVO Plus is a standard 2.5-inch drive, so it should fit in most laptops and desktop computers without any issues. It's also compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So, to sum it up, the Samsung 970 EVO Plus is a top-performing solid-state drive that offers fast speeds, high endurance, and excellent reliability. If you're in the market for a new SSD, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching our review of the Samsung 970 EVO Plus. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech content.